Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Clip Movement, and we're gonna get into the skin hop that I did on my canvas right here. So we're gonna start with the 0 from the front, take it all the way to the back in like a U form. And I'm also gonna be speeding it up in some parts since it was like a 20-minute cut. Now I'm gonna use the number 1 guard. We're only gonna go up to number 3, and since he doesn't want the top cut, he's letting it grow out. So yeah, only from 1 to 3. Now we're gonna use the number 2 guard. Here I'm just erasing the initial guideline with the lever in the middle. And right up underneath the initial guideline, I'm gonna hit it with the T liner to blend it out and get it before I hit it with the shaver. Always stretch the skin so you can get every single last hair. And now to make the cut pop, we're gonna use the shaver. That's really gonna make it stand out. And always try to use the corner of the shaver, since this is like the final detail, so you won't make like another guideline. So just hit it, shave it, but like in an angle with the corner, so it comes out nice. This is just detail work with the detailer. We're gonna be hitting it where I shaved it with the shaver, and where it meets the 0 guideline. So right there it makes the blend. And my bad if I suck at explaining, but since I'm new to this, I've never done this before, so doing the voiceover or whatever. So my bad if I didn't really explain it in a way that you understand, so my bad. And now with the masters, I'm doing the same thing, but trying to blend in where I did the second guideline, which was with the number 1. So I'm blending in between the 1 and the 0 guideline. So we're just gonna line it up right now. Line it up and hit it with the razor. And we also had music playing, so that's why I don't really have the sound on. I don't know if I can get in trouble for that, like getting my videos taken down. So I just don't have no sound in the background. We're gonna sharp it up now. That razor, make it look crisp. And remember, always when lining up, stretch out the skin. You don't want to cut nobody, leaving them like Freddy Krueger and all that stuff. Now this is really the finishing touch, lining up the back in form of a V. Now this is the other side, and it's just the same steps. Follow the same steps, and you should be able to get the same result. So I'm just gonna speed this up for you guys. just doing a little detail work, and this how the backside looks with the V line all lined up. And this is the final touch, the front of the box. Line that up, and that'll be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. And now the Skin Hawk is 100% loaded. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay blessed, stay safe.